Hey everybody, my name's Tennille, and in this video I'm doing an unboxing haul. These videos are like extremely exciting for me to watch, so hopefully it's cool for you guys too. I have like 2 boxes here. I don't want this to touch my bed because who knows where they have been. Go big or go home. I'm starting off with this package because I ordered a pair of Levi's, well 3 pairs actually, and I'm so excited to try them on. Yeah, I love Aritzia so much. I feel like they're that really good mid-range brand, like between low-end and contemporary designer. Yeah, I feel like they're a good place to go to when you kind of want to step up your game with quality, but not pay too much. Oh, that's so cute. Their packaging is so nice. So like this is their little receipt. Ew. They like put it in this like little bag inside the box. It's so cute. And it just, Aritzia's artwork like on their packaging and stuff is really nice. I think they use different artists like every few months or something like that. A black woman in sandals in the hot summer. She looks like she could be in the Caribbean. I don't know, but it looks like a vintage picture. It looks really sick. I will bare your ears, this crunchy part. Oh, this isn't a bag. It's just paper inside a bag. So the first thing I see here, okay, this looks good. I had bought a black version of this corset and I really wanted a white version to wear on top of like white shirts so it looks more seamless and like it was a part of the shirt. And it's like a denim material, so it really does like hold you in nicely. In my style resolutions, I was talking about defining my waist more, and this is a good way to do it. This I know I'm gonna get tons of wear out of. Ooh, okay. So I know everybody's talking about the Levi Wedgies, which I actually have a pair here, but if you have not tried the 501 Skinny, what are you doing? Those jeans are so good. Levi basically wanted to take back from like redone denim. This is my thoughts. I don't know what their thoughts are, but they kind of wanted to alter some of like their older styles of denim. So Levi came out with the 501 Skinny altered version, and it has like different features from like the regular 501s. I bought a blue pair maybe like a month or so ago, and I saw they had the black one online, so I was like, no, stop. I'm mad. This one has paint splatters. Oh, okay, see, this is what happens with unboxings. You like think it looks one way online, and then I don't know if I like that. That's actually really annoying. It looks like I have dirty jeans. I'm cheesed. Okay, hopefully the rest goes well. I also got another pair of 501 Skinnies from them. I really wanted a nice light wash pair for the spring summer, and this looks good. It has those paint splatters. Like, I'm mad. They have yellow paint splatters. I'm gonna be honest, usually my online purchases go like, I would almost consider myself a pro at online purchasing, but you cannot see the paint splatters in the photos. That's what makes it deceiving. If I can't see something in the photos, then how am I supposed to like really know? I don't know if you guys can like see that, but there's like yellow paint splatters, but I love the rips in them, and it also has kind of like a slight split seam. What's also really nice about like the 501 Skinny is they have a button fly, and I really like a button fly. I don't know, I feel like it just looks more neat like when it's closed up, especially when they're high-waisted. I'm slightly mad. Who knows, maybe on they're not so bad. Now these ones are the Levi Wedgie fit, and I got the straight leg version. And everybody has been talking about these, grandmas, aunties, all around the world, because it makes your derriere look amazing. I tried them on once in store and I regretted not buying them. So I seen these ones online and they were on sale, so amazing. Okay, I think I like these. These are a nice mid-wash. I always usually gravitate towards a mid-wash first because I feel like it's a good in-between, and it can usually go with my mid-wash denim jacket for an all-denim look. The wash on the back looks a little different. It looks kind of like slightly vintage washed, and they have like a raw edge and also a button fly closure and high-waisted and beautiful, and I think these ones might be my favorite ones. And even though those styles of Levi's weren't the best, That's probably why they went on sale, to be honest. Well, hopefully, who knows, I might like them when I try them on. But Aritzia usually gets pretty good styles of like Levi stuff, so you should honestly check them out in store if you like Levi. Receipt. Oh, so cute. They have these like little paper bags as well. Oh, okay. Oh, I'm excited about these two things. If you guys know that whole trend about like the extra long belts, that's what I just picked up right now, and it's just like a basic black version, and it's long. Like, it will probably hit my knee, but I think it looks so cool. You guys probably may have known this trend from the off-white one, like the yellow one that looks like it should belong at a construction site. That one makes me gag. I don't like it at all. But a simple black leather one, I don't think I could go wrong with it. And I feel like this will add like a really cool, edgy, yet simple like element to a basic outfit. So I think this one is going to be good. And I got it in a medium. The last thing I got, ooh, hopefully this isn't too big. Oh, I always like toy between getting a small and a medium. Because I need a medium for my boobs, but like relatively like my waist and everything is a small. But I got a medium in this one because I didn't want it to be snug. Hopefully this fits well. This one is a Babbitt off the shoulder top. And I feel like this is really good for summer. Or maybe it will fit. Maybe I'm just being extra. Yeah, this would be really cute for summertime. And with like a nice little scarf like tied up on my neck. The sleeve kind of has like, I don't know why the word's not coming to me, but it's slightly like cinched and everything. And this one was on sale for like extremely cheap, like 25 bucks. What was the original? This was originally $85. And it's 100% cotton, I think. That would be really nice tucked into the light wash jeans if the paint splatters don't look horrible. Now I'm going to try the items on and hopefully they are good. Let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna try on some of that stuff right now, and I'm praying that it works because I like them. They're really cute. I don't know. This isn't too bad. I feel like I probably could have fit into the small, but yeah, especially the sleeves are a little bit big. I actually like this. It just needs to be steamed up a bit, but like the sleeves are kind of cute. They're a little big around the wrists, but I have really small wrists. It's just, that's just me. But like, I have pretty long arms and like, but it is off the shoulder, so it's not like I have it higher up there. Okay, I kind of like this. This is not that bad. This is cute. So I'm going to try on the Levi Wedgies. Wow, Levi Wedgies, they fit, oh my gosh. Am I too thick for these? I got them on. I think they like have no stretch. They're 100% cotton, so you have to go up a size or two. So I usually wear a size 28 in like jeans that have like a lot of stretch, but these I ordered a 30 and I'm good. Oh my gosh, I like how high-waisted these are. Like I said in my style resolutions, these should be high-waisted. Okay, let me change the position of the camera, but I'm gonna cut off my head for a bit because you need to see how these pants fit. I really like these a lot. They are giving me a slight wedgie, but it's not to the point where it's like, what's going on? You need to fix yourself. Oh, my bum does look, oh my gosh. It fits my bum and my hips amazingly. I just need to take in the waist maybe like 2 inches, but wow. I don't know if they'll match my denim jacket exactly. I am not mad at these. I am happy with these. I am keeping them. These are a really good summer jean. And I don't know if you see like my white boots here. I'm too lazy to put them on, but can you imagine? We are trying on these light wash yellow stained jeans now. I actually can't really see the yellow splatters. Okay, I'm actually not mad. Like only if you come really close. These jeans don't got stretch. 100% cotton for sure. If you have thin legs, maybe just go up one size. If you're thick, I would suggest you going up 2. And these aren't the altered ones with the seams at the back, but I like these. This is such a good light wash. Yeah, these are really good. I like this. Okay, so first impression out the box, it wasn't so good, but on, I actually really like it. This is my butt. I feel like with the 501s, you have a little room under your butt. I don't know, I feel like I need to hike them up more, but like, it's hard to hike them up because this off the shoulder is a little restricting, but, ooh, let me show you guys how it looks with the belt. Yeah, this is so cool, like with a white shirt, like a button-up shirt. Ooh, yes, okay, medium works. Yeah, I have like 3 extra holes. Because sometimes for like a waist belt, I usually need to get small, but the medium actually works with this. And then will we just let it hang like that? No, I'd probably do that like little twisty loop thing up through the belt and then through here. Oh, and then it's not as long. Oh, that's sick. My order is coming together now. Like, I'm actually really happy. I'll figure out a few more ways to style it, but this is good. And like with this off the shoulder top, I want to be able to wear it with this like rag and bone scarf, like with the roses. Okay, it is hard to bend in these jeans, but I like this. This is a really good look, right? Like with the bare shoulder and like something on your neck. This is a whole outfit right now. Like I look like I'm surfing, but I'm trying to make sure you guys can see my head for once. So last pair of denim and the corset. These are the altered ones, which I already have a pair of. So these ones should fit like right off the bat. It's just the paint splatters. I like the altered version more because it has a bit of stretch to it actually. Okay, I'm not gonna button up all the buttons because I'm too lazy, but I don't know, I can kind of see the paint splatters. They would look cool with my white boots because of the paint splatters, but I feel like I might keep them because I like the altered fit so much. Like, they have a bit of stretch to them, but they're still structured and like basically 100% cotton. Well, I think they're 99. Yeah, let me try on the corset. Okay, yeah. This corset is kind of like an ivory. It's not like a true white. Oh, that's really cool. I wouldn't wear it with this shirt per se, like I would wear it with a collared shirt because it would look cool like with it having like a button down. Can you see that? I hope so. Let me like bring you guys up again. I just need to not eat like Chipotle before I wear it, but giving me a bit of Chloe vibes. But yeah, okay. Hopefully you can see me. I'm doing this again. This was my Aritzia unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to click my face to subscribe and watch these other videos that you may have missed. And hit the bell button right below this video somewhere so you get notified when I post videos. And also follow me on these other socials where you can get updates on like my outfits. And usually I post when I get new stuff there. And then by the time I post it to YouTube, it may sell out and all this stuff. But I love you guys and thank you for watching. And take care. Bye. Mwah.